Good afternoon. Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good
Henin,
afternoon.
Lakshmi, Amin, Atikesh. How are you all?
Fine. Fine.
Okay, good. Okay, so let us start our coordinate system. Last day we read about Rene Descartes who introduced the coordinate system. How can we plot a point on a plane? In a plane, how can we say this is the position of a point? Okay, so it is known as coordinate system. Okay, I will explain. In your okay. Okay, last day we read about Rene Descartes, and he introduced two axes called vertical and horizontal axis as our x-axis and y-axis. On account of this axis, on
Ma'am,
account
can you zoom in a little more?
okay, this is the maximum. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So using this x-axis and y-axis, we can locate or we can say the position of this point is this. Okay. So x-axis and y-axis is meeting at a point origin called denoted as O, and its coordinate is 0 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. to the right, and to the vertical axis also y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Okay, this is x-axis. Horizontal axis is x-axis, and O is the origin. O is the origin, and the coordinates of origin is 0, 0. Okay, children, you do one thing. Write the heading as coordinates. In your note, write the heading coordinates. 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 Then write. A plane can be divided. No, not that. Not dividing, because we are studying only positive axis only. Okay. So you can write one second. I will give one sentence for coordinates. Okay. Right. For fixing a point. For fixing a point. For fixing a point. For fixing a point on the graph sheet, point on the graph sheet, we need two axes. One is horizontal axis. Horizontal axis. It is known as x-axis. X-axis. Second one is vertical axis. Vertical axis. It is y-axis. Y-axis and x-axis. For fixing a point on the graph sheet, we need two axes. They are number one, horizontal axis, that is x-axis. Second one, vertical axis, that is y-axis.
Ma'am, ma'am, I just joined now. Did we write much?
No.
Is
We
it
just started only. Horizontal axis.
Ma'am, is this the starting?
Yes.
And what is the heading?
Coordinates. Axis. Next point, for each point, we have x coordinate and y coordinate. X and y coordinate. X coordinate and y coordinate. X coordinate and y coordinate. Example, consider point P 5, 4 this way. A point can be expressed in the form P 5 in bracket P 5, 4. This 5, 4 is the coordinates of the point P. Consider P 5, 4. Then put a comma, then write 5, 4 is the, not is, R, 4 are the are the coordinates of point P. P 5, 4, what is the meaning? 5, 4 are the coordinates of P. Here 5 is x coordinate, 5 is x, 5 is x coordinate, and 4 is y coordinate. 5 is x coordinate and 4 is y coordinate. So for Q7, 2, write what is x coordinate and what is y coordinate? What is x coordinate of Q? X coordinate of Q is
7.
7. And y coordinate of Q is
2.
2. Okay. Dvait, mute your audio, Dvait, mute. Okay, all of you wrote this. X coordinate of Q is 7 and y coordinate is 2. Okay, now all of you look at this graph. This one. Here you can see a graph, figure 15.14. Figure 15.14. Can you see this figure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. This maximum on zooming. Okay. Okay. Now, Adikesh, can you see the point A?
Yes,
A.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Adikesh, say what is the coordinate of A? Look at this figure and say
A
A.
A
First,
5 4.
first you have to say the x coordinate, then y coordinate. See here, 5 is the x coordinate, 4 is the y coordinate. So you
Ma'am,
have to
4.
say the x coordinate
Ma'am,
first,
4 is
then y. Yes, x axis it is 4, comma,
4
y axis it is
5 5.
5. 4, comma 5. Okay. Lakshmi Sivi, what are the coordinates of B? Point B. Where is point B? Here. What are the coordinates of B, Lakshmi? All of you listen to the board. This is very important. Coordinates of B is x-axis. What is coordinate of B? Where is it on x-axis? Hmm? I can't hear. Ah, now it's okay, I think. Say. Now it's okay.
Ma'am, I lost my network in between, ma'am. I
Okay.
was asking you so last question.
No, I'm just asking here. Can you see this figure 15.14?
Yes, ma'am.
This figure. And here one point B is there. B. Did you see that?
Yes.
Ah.
Yes, ma'am.
What is its x coordinate? The coordinate corresponding to B on x-axis is what?
5.
No.
Sorry.
5 is on
Uh,
y-axis now. So,
X.
see, Adikesh said A. For this point A, x coordinate is 4 and y coordinate is 5. So 4, 5 is the coordinates of A. Okay, Lakshmi. So the same
Yes,
way,
ma'am.
here about point B, what is x coordinate?
1.
How 1? 1 is here, no?
O.
Oh, 0, it is 0. Origin is 0, 0. So it is 0. Okay, 0, comma, on y-axis it is
5.
5. Very good. Only
5.
that much. Only that much. Okay, yes. Now see, Advait, Advait Murali, coordinates of C. C. X coordinate is?
Ma'am, C.
C, here. Can you see that?
Yes.
C. X coordinate is?
3.
3. And Y coordinate?
3.
3. So 3, 3 is the coordinates of C. Okay. Lynette, point D.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, 1
1,
x
comma,
coordinates.
yes.
And 2 is the y coordinate.
Y coordinate. Okay, good. Salim, E. E. Salim, coordinates of E.
X coordinate.
Coordinates of E. Salim. E. Coordinates of E are? E is this point. What is its x coordinate? Salim.
E.
Huh? X coordinate of E is what, Salim? I think he has some network. Tom Jose. E.
Ma'am, 2.
2, comma?
1.
1. F. F.
Yes, ma'am.
F.
X coordinate 5.5.
5.5, correct, very good. 5.5 and y coordinate?
0.
0, good, it is 0 because it is on the x-axis. On x-axis, y coordinate is 0 and x is 5.5. Good. I think all the points are over, isn't it? Okay. Okay. Now,
G is also there. G.
now
Rose.
example 5, plot the following points and verify if they lie on a line. If they lie on a line, name it. Okay. So let us start. All of you take your graph book. All of you take your graph book. Since your graph book is lengthy one, you can divide into 4 parts because we need only 6 or 7 numbers to either side. Or either you can take the half of one graph paper. Half is enough. Now, first question, plot the following points. Plot the following points. Plot. Question you can write right side of the graph paper, graph book. Plot the points. Question is this first question. 0, 2, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, 3.5. Plot that one first. 0, 2, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, 3.5. Draw x-axis and y-axis. We need 6 points to both the sides.
Ma'am, example 5, right?
Example 5, first question. You may feel it is very simple, but see children, concentrate this, understand thoroughly because it is basic of coordinate system. It's very important basic. So understand thoroughly how the points and its coordinates comes. So first one is x 0, 2. So where it will come? 0, 2. X is 0. On x-axis it is 0. So here 2. 2 means here. So this is, let it be A. 0, 2. You can write that. 0, 2. Mark that point and write A 0, 2. Next is 0, 5. 0, 5. This is B 0, 5. B 0, 5. C 0, 6. C 0, 6. 0, 6. And 0, 3.5. 0, here it is. C, D. 0, 3.5. All the points are lie on a line. See, A, B, C, D. The points A, B, C, D lie on a line and that line is our y-axis. So you can write the inference as all the points all the given points lie on a line, and that line is y-axis. So all the given points lie on y-axis. All the given points lie on y-axis. All the given points lie on a line, and that line is y-axis. Okay? If it is over, you can do the second one. Draw the second question. Plot the following points. A11, B12, C13, D14. First one over, all of you, can I rub that?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Over, Isha. First one over.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Now try the second one, all of you. X-axis, y-axis, 0. Maximum point is 4. Okay, so that. Five. First point is 1, 1. 1, 1 will be here. You can write A or some other name also, you can P. 1, 1. 1, comma 1. Next point is 1, comma 2. So this is Q. 1, comma 2. 1, comma 3. They are given already. Okay, anyway. PQR. 1, comma 3. R. S. 1, comma 4. So these also lie on a line. The given points lie on a line. If you wrote ABCD, no problem. And you can name the line as line. Here we can write PS. Line PS. If you wrote ABCD, you can write line AD. Line AD. And this, see, this line is parallel to y-axis. Y-axis and all these lines are parallel. You can draw many parallel lines. All these lines are parallel to y-axis. So this line PS is parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. Like your addition and subtraction, when you are studying addition and subtraction, that is the basic of operations, isn't it? Arithmetic. Likewise, this is basic of coordinate system. So study thoroughly. If any doubt, you ask. That line is parallel to y-axis. Previous line, it is y-axis itself. The points comes on y-axis. And in the previous question, you can see. All of you listen to the board. Listen here. The first question. See that all the points you have plotted on y-axis, isn't it? Nadeem, Amin, isn't it? All the points are on y-axis, isn't it?
Yes.
And look the x coordinate of all those points. What is the x coordinate of all those points? X coordinate of all those points are? I mean, A, B, C, D. 4 points we plotted on a graph paper and we got all the points are on y-axis. I'm asking, what are the x coordinate of all those points?
1.
No, I think you didn't understand my question. Listen, I will explain. We have plotted the first graph. I am asking, talking about the first graph. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the first point A is 0, 2, B is 0, 5, C is 0, 6, D is 0, 3.5, isn't it? And we got the line is on this, the point, all the points are lie on y-axis, isn't it? I'm asking, what are the coordinate of all these, x coordinate of all these 4 points?
0.
0, 0. So any point on y-axis, its x coordinate will be
0.
0. That is the point we are discussing. For any point on y-axis, its x coordinate will be 0. If you want, you can write it as a note. For any point on, for a very important point it is. For any point on y-axis, comma, its x coordinate will be 0. Will be 0. Will be 0. All of you completed first and second one?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the third one. Draw the third one. Plot the points K, L, M, N. This one, third one. K, L, M, N. Plot it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. K is 1, 3. 1, 3. K 1, 3. L 2, 3. L 2, 3. M33, N43, and see, it is a line KN. The given points lie on a line KN. Given points lie on a line KN, and line KN is parallel to what? Parallel to
X-axis.
x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. Is parallel to x-axis. Now try the last one, WXYZ. Draw x-axis and y-axis. Two, six, 3, 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 5, 3, 6, 2. You will get a straight line. WXYZ. WXY is very important point. The graphs representing straight line. All these are linear graphs. All these are linear graph representing straight line are known as linear graph. The graphs representing straight line is called a linear graph. Graphs representing straight line is called linear graphs.
Ma'am, we should write it in the notes, right?
No, you just write on right side of the graph book and highlight it somehow.
Okay, ma'am.
That's enough. Linear graphs are represented by straight lines, or straight lines are called, the graphs of straight line are called linear graphs, or linear graphs are straight lines. Very important point it is. Linear graphs are straight lines. Okay, children, I will send some homework questions plotting this. Okay, our time is up now.